there is no historical record of Islam as an indigenous religion in Igbo land. From ancient times, Igbo society was rooted in belief in Chukwu, strong moral conscience, community justice, and family-centered values. Christianity later entered through education, dialogue, and voluntary acceptance, and over time became deeply woven into Igbo culture and worldview. Islam, however, did not arise from Igbo language, traditions, or social structures. Its limited presence reflects a society that values personal conviction, questions imposed authority, and strongly protects its cultural identity. In Igbo land, religion survives by persuasion, not pressure, by conviction, not conquest. This is not about hostility or exclusion. Everyone is free to practice any faith. But history is clear: Islam has no indigenous roots in Igbo land. Our history matters. Our identity matters. And truth deserves to be spoken.